we are today cooking at Clementine. So we don't normally get away with this kind of stuff, but because I've got a few extra special little treats here, I brought in my sous vide setup. If you don't know what sous vide is, it's actually a water bath immersion situation. This is how restaurants keep all of the steaks at the same temperature until they throw them on the grill. It's how a lot of big organizations cook a lot of food at once very consistently. So with corn on the cob, which I've got right here, we can put it in these little stasher bags. We sell these at Clementine. They're basically reusable Ziploc bags. So they're silicone, they're dishwasher safe, but you can sous vide in them. It forms a seal, just like so. If I had any butter, which I don't, I would put a little bit in there. And then you're just going to drop it in your sous vide. The water temperature is going to need to get to 183 for your best corn, but it is just going to float in there for 30 minutes. And so what's cool about it is that heat transfers through that stasher bag and is the same temperature all the way through. It's how you cook evenly, but this is low waste because when that comes out, I'm going to be able to just pop the corn out. It's going to be delicious, and then I'm going to be able to put the stasher bag in my dishwasher and use it again next time. So I've got all the accoutrement for some great corn, including, we just thought these were so cute, we couldn't say no, they're little hands. So the little corn holders can go right in and they can just get a little grip. And we've got everything you need to do this, minus the heavy equipment, down here at Clementine.